Hello, PRüF community. It is about 5:43 Saturday, June 30th, and I am giving a community update and letting you guys know what's going on, different advances we've had with the project, and different things that we got planned for everyone. I think some pretty exciting stuff. Anyway, primarily we've been pretty much head down in the rebuilding of the interface. We had the full functionality out in the alpha testing, and a lot of you participated in that, and we thank you very much. And we're taking that feedback, what we learned from that process, and we are rebuilding the interface towards improved user flow. It is way simpler to use now. And using all that information that we gathered from you guys, all the help that you gave us, trying to figure out how to do different things, and we saw where people were getting hung up and where it was difficult to understand. And we used all that information to make a product that is much simpler to use. It's still totally, all the functionality is there, but the user flow is super simple. I think that as we roll this out here in a week or so, I think with the 1.5 release, you guys are going to see that just about anybody that can order anything off of Amazon or eBay is going to have no problem using PRüF. So that's what we're shooting for, and it's beautiful. The interface is just absolutely gorgeous. You guys are going to love it. You can even customize, sort of do a little night mode thing if you want to, different background images. I mean, it's pretty cool. Anyway, thank everyone who helped us with that testing process. We're going to be doing some more testing, of course, with the new 1.5 interface as it comes out. And so people in our testing group will be helping us with that. And as always, we are very thankful for all of the community support and help that we get in rolling out these new releases. Other things besides just the interface, we're actually able to do IPFS image upload inside the app now. Before you had to upload an image and then you could link it to the app with a URL, but now you can actually upload images inside the app directly to IPFS, so that helps with your item descriptions and things like that, and it's much smoother flow. Of course, you can still link things, and you can link other types of files and stuff as well. Anyway, what else? The scaling, it scales much better between mobile and desktop and different sizes of mobile screens, tablets, high resolution, low resolution screens. So we got a lot better scaling. It's just very fluid now. We are using some pretty good assets on that stuff, and I think that you guys will really see the difference. It's it's night and day. You guys are going to love it. Anyway, other than that, other than the interface, of course, other things going on. Pre-sale is wrapping up today. Just to explain to everyone, so I know it was a little bit unclear, the sudden rise in Ethereum prices kind of made us have to change things up just a little bit. So because of that, we are having a token split. We'll be announcing the exact dates and stuff on that, but basically anybody that has that's holding tokens at this point, when we do the snapshot, those tokens, they'll be able to go to the token splitter, and using the token splitter, it'll double the number of tokens that they hold. So even though the pre-sale is 100,000 tokens per ETH, through the token doubler, they'll actually be getting 200,000 per ETH. So just a few more hours left in that. If anybody wants to get that done at the last minute, now is the time. If you're not going to be able to get in under the line, or you've got a larger investment that you want to make, go ahead and email us in the web form there. That'll send us an email, and we can whitelist your address. Whitelisted addresses will be able to purchase after the pre-sale closes. Anyway, let's see here. That's pre-sale updates, IDO stuff. Okay, yeah, one of the things the team has decided unanimously, we're going to be moving towards an IDO, initial distributed offering, decentralized offering, sorry, and that means we'll be releasing on a DEX. The reasons for that, there's a whole bunch of reasons for that, but the main one is that really it scales really well with our ethos. We're all about decentralization here at PRüF. The whole idea of PRÜF is it's eventually going to be completely decentralized. So it's really important to us that we're sticking to that ethos, and we're not doing things that are encouraging centralization in the process of getting to where we want to go. Let's see, other things, what did I not touch on? There's some exciting stuff. These are just kind of things that the team has come across and started thinking about. I was looking at a few projects that just kind of, perusing the news and different things in the industry, and looking at a few projects that are coming out, and I realized that a lot of the projects that are coming out would be trivial to execute in PRüF. So a lot of these teams that are saying, oh, we're going to be coding for 6 months or 9 months or 2 years in some cases to develop this product. Actually, in many of those cases, between 2 or 3 hours in the asset management console or the asset class management console of configuration, or in some cases they would need a custom contract or two, so we might be talking about a week or two of development. They could actually roll those systems out in PRüF, and they would save months and months and months of developer time. And also they would be rolling out on a proven platform that's already been audited, a whole bunch of expenses they wouldn't have to deal with. They would have the advantage of hooking into our community as well with their projects. So just some other uses that, a system like this that is so expansive and so extensible, it's kind of difficult to get your head around everything it can be used for. We've obviously come up with some good use cases and some things that we've built our business models around. But it's becoming apparent as the project goes on that there's even more uses for PRüF than we had initially considered. One of them would be launching, any relatively simple project that has fairly simple, business logic that needs to be done that manages assets or loans or any kind of transactions. Anything like that could be rolled out in PRÜF in probably somewhere between 3% and 10% of the time it could be rolled out on raw Ethereum. So I think we're going to see some people taking advantage of that. That's a pretty exciting development and something that will be devoting some resources towards as far as producing some media and articles like that and letting people know, hey, you can do this. Other than that, the other thing that we've looked at is PRÜF assets are extended ERC 721 tokens. Those are non-fungible, individual, unique tokens, and the PRÜF enabling these tokens has given us multimedia capabilities, file storage capabilities, custom business logic capabilities to these tokens. So this is another thing. People just launching tokens will be able to extend the capabilities of their token, or even legacy tokens, say, CryptoKitties. We can have we could use PRÜF to extend CryptoKitties, and they could store all kinds of things, multimedia. I mean, obviously that's just an example of CryptoKitties, right? But it's an example that an existing ERC 721 token can actually be extended by the PRÜF system, giving it a whole bunch of new capabilities, including storage and multimedia and things like that. So that's some pretty exciting stuff, and I think that we'll see some people taking advantage of that as well. Let's see here. Okay, we've got an AMA. We're going to start doing an AMA on Saturdays at 2 p.m. UTC. It'll be on Telegram. Our partners there at X10 will be helping to organize that. We're really excited about that, being able to be more involved with the community. And that's going to be an internal, in the community AMA, and we will be having some prizes and some giveaways. So that'll be exciting for everybody, can participate in that. What we're going to do is we're going to take those, the best questions and weekly updates, and we'll have a video recap, kind of like this one. Every week we will put together a little video recap that we will do, sort of bringing everybody up to speed and going over some of the AMA stuff. And just keeping everybody involved and up to date as to what's going on. It's really easy for us to get focused here, and we get down and are coding and writing media and stuff like that, and it's hard sometimes to remember that people are wondering, hey, what are you guys up to? So this is one of the things that we're gonna improve on by having this weekly update and AMA recap. Let's see here, and like I said, that's going to be at 2 p.m. UTC, or Greenwich Mean Time, on Saturdays is when we're going to be doing the AMA. But like I said, that'll be in Telegram. Our friends at X10 are going to be helping to set that up. I think that's about it that we've got for now. Other than that, I hope everybody's doing well, and we're excited to have you on board, and we are really appreciative of our great community and our testers and the people that are helping us moderate the chat and things like that. We're really thankful that we have such high quality people, and it's good to work with you guys. Really appreciate it. I guess that's about a wrap, and we'll see you next week.